I love to entertain at home, even if it's just for my immediate family. Hi, I'm Liz from Liz Fenwick DIY YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing some quick and easy tips for putting together your meal with any size group. I love to make everyone feel special no matter the size of the gathering. This year's going to be a little bit different for my family, but not any less special. My mom and I are doing a meal share this year. We split up the cooking. We're both gonna be cooking at our houses. We're gonna drop it off at each other's houses and share our meal together over Zoom. Even if you're just entertaining for your immediate family, my girls love it when I put out a holiday spread. And I feel like this year more than ever, it's important that we celebrate the holidays. I love that I'm able to get everything I need for entertaining online at JCPenney.com. The first step is finding the area in your home where you want to set up all of your food. Now this is easy for me because I have a pretty small kitchen, so I use my island as my staging zone for all of my food. My second tip is to set up your serving dishes and trays the night before. You probably already know what you're going to be cooking, and setting it up the night before just makes it so much easier. I'm using a variety of wood bowls, trays, and dishes that you can purchase at JCPenney. Tip 3 is to elevate your food for display. I love using cake stands that really help to feature my desserts. This Mix and Mingle tray by Denmark is a perfect stand that you can use to elevate any cake or dessert. Whenever I'm getting ready for the holidays, I love to rely on my slow cooker to create a simple meal that I can prepare ahead of time. JCPenney has a wide selection of slow cookers. Today I'm gonna be creating a chicken tortilla soup that my family loves. Step 5, it's all about your presentation. So add in some finishing touches to make it feel festive for the holidays. I like to add in greenery and some pine cones, and it just gives it a warm touch. You can also add decorative elements anywhere in your display. Now that you have everything prepped, it's ready for your food. This large wood bowl from JCPenney's is perfect for serving a salad. You can arrange your soup condiments in this Alama serving set. It's a perfect size and I love that it turns. Cheese boards and crackers are perfect on this wood tray or on the artisanal 7-piece serving set. We have to include something healthy. I love using the Gibson Elite Veggie Turning Tray for veggies and dip. I'm gonna finish off my display by adding a cake to my Mix and Mingle by Denmark cake stand. And here's a look at my final setup. If you're interested in learning how to decorate your holiday table like a pro, you can watch part 1 of this holiday series. We'll link it down in the description box. And make sure that you shop at JCPenney for all of your holiday needs. And the products in today's video will be available for you in the description box as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a safe holiday season.